Hey there, TikTok fam. Are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Well, you're in luck because today, I'm spilling the secrets on how to make serious cash through your TikTok shop. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or just looking to monetize your creative content, stick around because I've got some game-changing tips coming your way. Starting a shop on TikTok as an affiliate offers several benefits. Large and engaged audience, TikTok boasts a massive user base with millions of active users worldwide. By tapping into this audience, you have the opportunity to reach a vast number of potential customers for your affiliate products. Viral potential. TikTok content has the potential to go viral, allowing you to rapidly increase your reach and exposure. A single well-executed TikTok video showcasing your affiliate products can garner thousands or even millions of views, significantly boosting your sales and commissions. Low barrier to entry. Unlike traditional e-commerce platforms that may require significant upfront investment and technical expertise to set up, starting a shop on TikTok as an affiliate typically has a low barrier to entry. You can easily create and promote your affiliate products using just your smartphone and the TikTok app. Authenticity and creativity. TikTok is known for its authenticity and creativity, making it an ideal platform for promoting affiliate products in a genuine and engaging way. You can leverage TikTok's creative tools and features to produce compelling content that resonates with your audience and drives conversions. Interactive features. TikTok offers a range of interactive features such as polls, Q&A sessions, and live streams, allowing you to engage directly with your audience and build stronger connections. Global reach. TikTok has a global presence, enabling you to reach customers from around the world. Whether you're promoting niche products to a specific demographic or targeting a broader audience, TikTok provides the opportunity to expand your reach beyond geographical boundaries and tap into new markets. Affiliate marketing opportunities. TikTok offers various affiliate marketing opportunities, including direct affiliate programs with brands, affiliate networks, and influencer partnerships. You can choose from a wide range of affiliate products across different categories and industries, allowing you to diversify your revenue streams and maximize your earning potential. Overall, starting a shop on TikTok as an affiliate provides a unique opportunity to leverage the platform's vast reach, creative potential, and interactive features to promote affiliate products and generate income. Making money on TikTok Shop involves leveraging the platform's features and audience to promote and sell products. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create a TikTok business account. If you haven't already, set up a TikTok business account. This gives you access to TikTok's creator marketplace, analytics, and other business tools. Identify your niche product. Determine what type of products you want to sell on TikTok Shop. It could be anything from fashion items, beauty products, gadgets, or handmade crafts. Choose something that aligns with your interests and resonates with your audience. Build your audience. Grow your TikTok following by creating engaging content that showcases your products or niche. Use hashtags, trends, and collaborations with other creators to increase your visibility. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, messages, and engage with your followers regularly. Building a loyal community will increase trust and interest in your products. Promote your products. Create TikTok videos that highlight your products in a creative and engaging way. Use storytelling, humor, or demonstrations to showcase how your products solve a problem or enhance the lives of your audience. Utilize TikTok features. Take advantage of TikTok features such as shoppable links in your bio, TikTok shopping, and in video links, if available in your region. Direct viewers to your online store or product listings where they can make a purchase. Collaborate with brands or influencers. Partner with other TikTok creators or brands to cross-promote products. Collaborations can help you reach a wider audience and gain credibility. Optimize your store. If you have an external online store, optimize it for conversions. Ensure that your product descriptions are clear and compelling, your checkout process is smooth, and your website is mobile-friendly. Track your performance. Use TikTok's analytics and other tracking tools to monitor the performance of your TikTok shop. Pay attention to metrics such as views, engagement, click-through rates, and sales conversions. Adjust your strategy based on what works best for your audience. Create tutorial and review videos. Instead of just showcasing products, create tutorial or review videos where you demonstrate how to use them effectively or provide honest reviews. This adds value to your audience and builds trust, making them more likely to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. Offer exclusive discounts or deals. Negotiate with brands to provide exclusive discounts or deals for your TikTok audience. This creates a sense of urgency and incentivizes viewers to take action, increasing your affiliate sales. Host Q&A sessions or live streams. Host live Q&A sessions or interactive live streams where you answer questions from your audience about the products you're promoting. This allows you to address any concerns or doubts they may have and encourage them to make a purchase through your affiliate links. Create user-generated content campaigns. Encourage your audience to create their own content featuring the products you're promoting and share them using a specific hashtag. Offer incentives such as shout-outs, giveaways, or featured spots in your videos. This not only increases engagement but also expands the reach of your affiliate marketing efforts. Collaborate with micro-influencers. Partner with micro-influencers in your niche who have a smaller but highly engaged audience. By collaborating with them to promote products through your affiliate links, you can leverage their credibility and reach to drive more sales. Optimize your content for discoverability. Use relevant keywords, trending hashtags, and catchy captions to make your content more discoverable on TikTok. By optimizing your content for the TikTok algorithm, you can increase the likelihood of your videos being seen by a wider audience, thus driving more traffic to your affiliate links. Provide value-added content. Beyond just promoting products, provide valuable content that educates, entertains, or inspires your audience. This could include tips, hacks, behind-the-scenes footage, or inspirational stories related to the products you're promoting. By consistently providing value, you can build a loyal following that trusts your recommendations and is more likely to purchase through your affiliate links. Host flash sales or limited-time offers. Create a sense of urgency by hosting flash sales or limited-time offers exclusively for your TikTok audience. Offer discounts or special deals for a short period, encouraging viewers to make a purchase quickly. Run TikTok ads. Invest in TikTok ads to promote your affiliate products to a targeted audience. Use engaging ad formats such as in-feed ads or sponsored hashtag challenges to drive traffic to your affiliate links and increase sales. Utilize influencer marketing. Collaborate with popular TikTok influencers to promote your affiliate products to their followers. Influencers can create authentic content showcasing the products and recommending them to their audience, resulting in increased sales and commissions for you. Participate in TikTok challenges and trends. Capitalize on popular TikTok challenges and trends by incorporating your affiliate products into your content. Create videos that align with trending hashtags and challenges, increasing the likelihood of your content being discovered by a wider audience and driving more sales. Offer bundle deals or product packages. Bundle related products together and offer them as package deals to incentivize viewers to purchase multiple items at once. This not only increases the average order value but also provides added value to your audience. Optimize your product descriptions. Write compelling and persuasive product descriptions that highlight the benefits and features of the products you're promoting. Use persuasive language and include calls to action to encourage viewers to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. Engage with trending topics and events. Stay updated on trending topics and events on TikTok and incorporate them into your content strategy. Create videos that relate to popular conversations or events, and seamlessly integrate your affiliate products into the narrative to capitalize on the buzz and drive sales. Offer exclusive bonuses or incentives. Provide exclusive bonuses or incentives to customers who make a purchase through your affiliate links. This could include free ebooks, access to exclusive webinars, or discount codes for future purchases. By offering added value, you can increase the likelihood of customers choosing to buy through your affiliate links. Create targeted landing pages. Develop targeted landing pages for your affiliate products that are optimized for conversions. Tailor your landing pages to specific audiences or demographics and include persuasive copy, compelling visuals, and clear calls to action to encourage visitors to make a purchase. Implement retargeting campaigns. Set up retargeting campaigns to reach customers who have previously visited your affiliate showcase but didn't make a purchase. Use platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to retarget these visitors with personalized ads showcasing the products they viewed, encouraging them to reconsider and complete their purchase. Diversify your product offerings. Expand your affiliate product offerings to include a diverse range of products that cater to different interests and demographics. By diversifying your offerings, you can appeal to a broader audience and increase your earning potential as an affiliate shop. Optimize for mobile. Ensure that your affiliate showcase and landing pages are optimized for mobile devices to provide a seamless browsing and purchasing experience for mobile users. With an increasing number of consumers shopping on mobile devices, Optimizing for mobile can help maximize your conversions and earnings. Monitor and analyze performance. Regularly monitor and analyze the performance of your affiliate showcase and individual products. Identify top-performing products, high-converting traffic sources, and areas for improvement. Use this data to optimize your strategy and focus your efforts on the most profitable opportunities. Stay updated on industry trends. Stay informed about industry trends, market developments, and emerging product opportunities within your niche. By staying ahead of the curve, you can capitalize on new trends and opportunities as they arise, maximizing your earning potential as an affiliate shop. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively increase your earnings as an affiliate shop and maximize your success in showcasing and promoting affiliate products. And there you have it. Transforming your TikTok into a money-making machine is totally within reach. So, go ahead, unleash your creativity, and start raking in those TikTok shop earnings. Don't forget to like, share, and tag your fellow content creators. Until next time, keep hustling and shining bright on TikTok.